Hello and welcome. My name is Marc Blatstein, and I'm the physician who founded and created Physician Presentence Report Service. Today we are on 5, the hearing, sentencing, and put in the BOP placement request, and your stakeholders. There are many, and you're facing the Department of Justice indictment, which is their narrative of you. And so here we go, and I'm trying to keep these under 3 minutes if I can. And so the probation officer, prosecutor, and the judge. There we go. Let's see if I can keep that from happening. So at sentencing, you have doubts, and hopefully you had everything prepared for your pre-sentence interview. You had all the information regarding any medical, educational, military, all that information was given to your attorney, and you had a nice conversation with the probation officer. As you get into the sentencing hearing, once you meet with the judge, and if the judge begins to have a conversation with you, that's your cue that the judge has read your narrative. And this is the beginning of your allocution or conversation with the judge. And it's your turn to see. You have to have the conversation. You accept it, or you to show the judge that you understand that the victims have pain. You accept responsibility. You did wrong. You're guilty. You understand if there's financial responsibility, you're going to participate in the financial responsibility program that Congress set up at the Federal Bureau of Prisons. And should the judge decide to make a departure for you or from the guidelines, then this is the time where your attorney should make the request for a placement regarding based on a program, be it the RDAP or drug program, if you qualify or are eligible, if it's a medical need, or if it's based on a First Step Act type program. But it needs to have a reason, not just any reason, but there needs to be a specific reason for the placement request. And should the judge agree, then the next request is you need to make a request for just one BOP facility, not just anything, just one facility by name that you're making the request for. Then the caveat is that the Federal Bureau of Prisons obviously makes the final request, makes the final placement decision. And there's no guarantee whether the judge is going to depart either up or down from the guidelines, whether the Federal Bureau of Prisons is going to grant the request, because they have to deal with bed space availability, faith-based needs, security requirements, programming needs. This is what I'm bringing up. Medical or mental health needs. This is what I'm bringing up now. Recommendations based on the court. This is what I'm bringing up now. Other security concerns that they may know of that I'm not aware of at this point in time. And then they try and make placements based within 500 driving miles of the legal residence. With all of this understood, you've done everything that you can possibly do. And in the long run, if you had the narrative written, this can go a long way to helping you secure a quicker placement in your goal to get home. I hope you've enjoyed, and these have been helpful YouTubes. There are more yet to come. Thank you for taking the time to listen in, and I hope you have a safe day.